Input-output ports of the PIC 16F877. PIC 16F877 series normally has 5 input-output ports. They are used for the input-output interfacing with other device or circuit. Most of these port pins are multiplexed for the handling alternate function for the peripheral features on the device. All ports in the PIC chip are bidirectional. When the peripheral action is enabled a pin, it may not be used its general input-output function. The PIC16F877 chip basically has 5 input-output ports. The 5 input-output ports and its function as given. Port A. Port A is a 6-bit wide bidirectional port. The direction of this port is controlled by Trias A data direction register. Setting A Trias A is equal to 1 makes corresponding ports A pin is as in input. Clearing the Trias A is equal to 0 making the corresponding ports A as in output. Pin RA4 is multiplexed with the timer 0 module clock input to become the RA0 timer or counter pin and functioning either input or output operation or timer 0 clock functioning model. The RA4 or timer 0 pin as a Smith trigger input and the open drain output. All other port A pins have TTL input level and full CMOS output drives. Other port A pins is in the microcontroller multiplexed with analog input and the analog VREF input for the both analog to digital converters and the comparators. The operation of each pin is selected by clearing and setting the appropriate control bits. The ADC on 1 and or CM con register. The Trias A register control the direction of the port pins even when they are being used as analog inputs. The user must ensure the bit in the Trias A register are maintained set when using then analog inputs. The block diagram of the port A register as shown figure in the architecture of the block diagram of PIC microcontroller 16F877. Then next port B. Port B is also an 8-bit bidirectional port. Its direction controlled and maintained by the Trias B data direction register. Setting the Trias B into logic 1 makes the corresponding port B pin as in input. Clearing the Trias B bit makes port B as and the output. 3 pins of the ports B are multiplexed with in circuit debugger and low voltage programming function. RB3, PGM, RB6 or PGC, RB7 or PGD for the performing its alternating function. The architecture of the PIC microcontroller 16F877 shows the port B register. Port B functioning the debugger and the low voltage programming function. Then next port C. Port C is an 8-bit wide bidirectional port which controlled and maintained by the Trias C data direction register. Setting a Trias C bit is equal to 1 will make the corresponding port C pin as in input, or clearing a Trias C bit 0 will make the corresponding port C pin is an output. Port C is also multiplexed with several peripheral functions. Port C pins have Smith trigger input buffer. When enabling peripheral function, More care should be taken defining trias bit for each port C pin as compared to other. Some peripheral override the trias bit to make a pin output, while other peripheral override the trias bit to make in input. Since the trias bit overview is effective in while the peripheral is enabled, read modify wire instruction. Read modify write the instruction with trias destination should be avoided. The user should refer to the corresponding peripheral section for the correct trias bit settings. Then next, port D. Port D is an 8-bit port with bidirectional nature. This port also with Smith trigger input buffer. Each pin this port D individually configurable as either input or output. Port D can be configured as 8-bit wide microprocessor. Port functioning as parallel to slave port or parallel port. By setting control B, PSP mode trias. In this mode, the input buffers are TTL. Next, port E. Port E has only 3 pins: RE0, RD, AN5. Second, RE1 or WR or AN6, and third, RE2, CS or AN7, which are individually configurable as input or output. These pins controlled by the using its corresponding data direction register trias E. These pins also have Smith trigger input buffer. The port E pins becomes input-output control for the microprocessor port when bit PSP modes is in set. In this mode, the user must make certain that trias E are set and that pins are configured as digital input. Also ensure that ADC con is configured for the digital input output. In this mode, the input buffers are TLL. Trias E register which also controls the parallel slave port operation. Port E pins multiplexed with analog inputs. When selected for the analog inputs, these pins will read as 0. These pins are read as 0. Trias E control the direction of RE pin. Even when they are being used the analog inputs, the user must make sure to keep these pins configured as the input when using them as analog inputs. Port E 3 bits wide. The alternate function of port E. The next lecture we will study the timers of the PIC microcontroller 16F877.